Hello, I'm Phoenix Mayor Kate Gallego. I'm pleased to join you this morning. Thank you all for being with us. We are celebrating many things today, including Councilwoman Stark's birthday.
And what a great present to be here.
Yes, and we'll talk about what the city has gotten, Councilwoman Stark, or she has helped us get. Today we are here to talk about our score from the Human Rights Campaign Municipal Equality Index. The Municipal Equality Index recognizes city policies for building inclusive communities for all of our residents, including our LGBT community. We are excited to share with you that the City of Phoenix has received a 100 score. This is our 7th year receiving a perfect score. It really is a testament to the values of the City of Phoenix and the work we have all done together. We are a city that accepts our residents and gives them the freedom and support that they need. The members of the LGBT community and allies have much to celebrate, many milestones to reflect on. This year is a particularly poignant score because of what has happened over the past year. We have celebrated the 50th anniversary of Stonewall, which has mixed emotions but tells us how far we have come. The Phoenix Pride Parade marked our 20th year since the transgender flag debuted in the city of Phoenix. The City of Phoenix is very proud of our non-discrimination ordinance. This year it went before the Arizona Supreme Court. Unfortunately, the Supreme Court narrowly ruled that brush and nib can discriminate, but the majority of the ordinance still stands, and that is very important to us in the City of Phoenix. The Municipal Equality Index scores us on many different policies, including the presence of our non-discrimination ordinance. We've also received points for having great partnerships and serving our LGBT youth, and we are grateful for 1 in 10 for opening up this beautiful space to hold this event. The Municipal Equality Index recognized our partnerships in serving the HIV/AIDS community, and it is also important that we are in a building that is home to the Southwest Center for HIV/AIDS, Aunt Rita's, and many of our other partners who helped us get that score, so thank you for that partnership. We are joined today by members of our Fast Track Cities Committee, including our chairwomen. Phoenix Pride is here, as well as the Pride Royalty. The Greater Phoenix Gay Chamber is here. We have great partners who have helped make this day possible. We could not do it without our strong partners in the community. And city leadership could not do it without a council that strongly support it, as well as city department heads who strongly support equality. I am excited next to bring forward for our first press event as mayor and vice mayor, a strong champion for the underdog, for equality. Please welcome our new vice mayor, Councilwoman Betty Guardado.
Good morning, and thank you so much for having me. I am thrilled to be here for this exciting announcement. Receiving a perfect score for my very first Municipal Equality Index is a real honor. As a mom, I am deeply invested in creating a city where future generations feel welcome and accepted regardless of how they identify. As Vice Mayor, I will continually work to ensure programs like our LGBTQ Employee Alliance Group elevates and empowers our employees' voices and concerns. Ensuring we all work together to achieve success like this one is a top priority. I would now like to welcome one of our very own employees and LGBTQ Alliance member, firefighter Joe Ellen Caldwell, to the stage.
Good morning. My name is Joellen Caldwell, and I am a captain with the Phoenix Fire Department. I am very excited to be here and be part of this event today, so thank you. I want to just start out by saying we have a great city. Our city is full of diversity, and caring people that continuously give back to our community, and I believe that that's what makes our city so special and unique. It's a community that supports, protects, and encourages all people, no matter who you are, to be a productive, healthy member of society. The city embraces what each member brings to the table and then helps to educate and mentor individuals to be more, to be successful, to feel fulfilled, and isn't that what we really all want? We want to feel accepted, we want to feel respected, have the opportunity to give back, and to be part of a community that cares. We have that in the city of Phoenix, and I am very thankful for that. I feel blessed to have found Phoenix 25 years ago. In my mid-20s, it's been a place that I have felt safe, encouraged, and supported for who I am, despite, without prejudice and without discrimination, because of who I love. So I'm very thankful. Thank you.
Thank you, Captain. And now we will welcome our host today, 1 in 10 Executive Director, Nate Roten.
Hello and good morning. Thank you for being here today. It is my distinct honor to celebrate the achievements of the City of Phoenix in the HRC Municipal Equality Index. I am so forever grateful for the partnership that we have with City of Phoenix, and particularly Mayor Gallego and this current City Council. But I would be remiss if I didn't point out the 26 years of support the City of Phoenix has been giving our organization and the youth that we serve. This building, the Parsons Center for Health and Wellness, is a testament to partnership and what a city supporting its community can truly achieve. Within this building, in addition to the organizations that the mayor mentioned, we also welcome Aunt Rita's Foundation that puts on our annual AIDS Walk, Southwest Center for HIV/AIDS, GLSEN, and Valleywise Health. The synergies of these organizations create a better foundation and web network to serve our youth and ensure that they can succeed in this great city. What this also demonstrates is that when a city is not afraid of doing the right thing, protecting its citizens, and truly enabling every citizen to feel welcome, it creates economic success and diversity. This is something that, frankly, we have other cities in our own back door that do not demonstrate this same quality. I hope that this showcases to them that they can make changes in their policies and procedures to also score 100 on the Municipal Equality Index. Thank you. I also hope that this showcases to our great state and to Governor Ducey that by providing the right protections to your citizens, it can enable greater economic prosperity. This year, we will have the chance once again to pass discrimination protections for the LGBTQ community. Much like other states have done, by enacting these protections, we will send a message to the diverse talent that is coming into the state each and every day and tell them they are welcome here. This is a place they can succeed. This is a place where everybody can truly feel at the table. Thank you, City of Phoenix, and to our mayor and our council for ensuring that yet again, for the 7th year, we score 100 on the HRC Municipal Equality Index. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Nate. You've been in the fight. Many of us have been in the fight, but there's also many that have been in the fight a lot longer. So I really appreciate the past and embrace the past for setting the groundwork and foundation that where we are today. So appreciate and let's honor them also. And I share the same sentiments with everyone when I say I'm proud of our city for once again receiving the score of 100. And I'm a champion at competition and always want to get that 100. So 2 years ago, I said we take great pride in our people, culture, and heritage, and that we welcome the opportunity to keep expanding the distinct character that makes our community richer and more colorful. And I believe that even more today. The City of Phoenix, truly an amazing place to live, and its resources, programs like our transgender inclusive healthcare benefits and discrimination ordinances for construction workers that also make it a great place to work. Our track record is a proof of our hard work, and we will continue on this path to create an inclusive city for everyone, which means, I guess, we strive for 150? I don't know. We keep striving. Our strive is to make that state 100. I would like to now welcome the birthday girl, Councilwoman Deborah Stark. Thank you.
Good morning. You know, I'm a mom of a gay son. This is the best birthday gift I could ever get, a score of 100. I am just so proud to be on the council, and a council that believes in being inclusive. It is so important that we are inclusive. I will tell you that we can't stop here. I agree. We need to talk to other towns and cities in Arizona. We need to talk to the state of Arizona to make sure that we have an anti-discrimination ordinance for all, not just Phoenix, but for all. So, with that, I'm going to work the hardest I can to ensure our state adopts that ordinance. And I know all of you will join me. Thank you so much. And again, what a great birthday present.